In this video, I'll show you how to change the colors of an existing logo that you've uploaded into Canva. First thing you'll do is you'll upload your logo. Ideally, it should be a transparent PNG. However, if you don't have that, you can go ahead and upload the logo and then simply remove the background by using background remover. I've already did this process, so what I'm going to do is copy one of the pages because I don't want to overwrite anything I've done previously. One thing that's important about this process is you have to know the hex color of what you would like. Otherwise, you'll be selecting directly from the color palette. In this case, I have my client's brand kit already installed into the Canva file. In the event that you don't, one thing I found helpful is that you can just implement the brand colors into one of the pages. That way you can copy and paste. So in this case, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and copy that hex number. I'll go back to the part that I duplicated, select the image, click on edit, which is going to pop up a column on the left, and then select duotone. Once you're here, make sure you've selected custom, then change the color for both highlights as well as shadows. This is where you're going to either paste your hex code, use the eyedropper to select a color somewhere on your screen, or you can just drag your cursor around within the color palette. It's very important that you change both shadows as well as the highlights. As long as it's 100%, it's going to change to the color that you have selected. Now select the second part of the logo, same options, just like so. And that's how you change the colors of a logo in Canva utilizing the duotone function. I hope this tutorial was simple and straightforward for you. Feel free to leave a comment or questions below and subscribe to my channel for other tutorials as well as business and lifestyle advice. Thank you.